Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the new point-in-time restore feature in Windows 11. This new option automatically creates backup points, making it much easier to restore your PC if something goes wrong. First, open Settings. Go to System, then select Recovery. If the point-in-time restore option is already available, open it and continue with the setup. If you don't see this option yet, don't worry. It may not be installed on your PC. Go back to Settings, then open Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install all available updates, including the latest preview update if it's offered. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. Now go back to Settings, System, Recovery. You should now see the point-in-time restore option. Click View or Edit. Enable point-in-time restore option. Windows will ask how much disk space you want to reserve for restore point. Using more disk space allows Windows to save more restore points. This gives you a longer restore history and more recovery options if your computer starts having problems. If you use only a small amount of space, Windows will keep fewer restore points and older ones will be deleted sooner. Choose the amount of space that best fits your available storage, click Save, then Close. Once everything is configured, Windows will automatically create restore points in the background. If you ever need to restore your PC, go to Settings, System, Recovery, then point-in-time restore option. You can see available restore point. Now go back and choose Advanced Startup, then click Restart Now. After your computer restarts, select Troubleshoot, then Point-in-Time Restore. Choose the restore point you want to use, confirm your selection, and Windows will restore your system to that earlier point while helping recover from software issues or unwanted changes. That's how you enable and use the new point-in-time restore feature in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.